What it do, y'all? What it do? Back with another video, man. Y'all already know it ain't no brown coat game today. Ain't no work going on. Y'all see it wet. So ain't nothing going on today. Not no work, but I did. Boy, I got a load of parts, man. I spent another $1,000 in the box today. Already, man. Like just $700 of stuff right here in the car now. I ordered like $300 something worth of stuff. I'm trying to keep y'all updated on the amounts. So it's another $1,000 in the project. I'm probably at a grand total about $12,000 or something in the car already, man. And it's still, I mean, I wasn't trying to, but I'm kind of like a perfectionist or whatever. So I like little knick-knack stuff, man, and all that. So I'm gonna show y'all everything I got. Y'all gonna see it going on the car this week. So I gotta show y'all all that. But right now I'm at Joe Buddy Racing. Finna give y'all an update on the Camaro on John Jones, cause we got some moves we been making. So I got to update y'all on that. So yeah, man, we're gonna get on into the shop and show y'all what's going on. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we over here. Y'all see crossover pipe off, all of that. So Unc got the hot side off. And you know, you let the car down, we get the cold side off of there. Then the bumper got to come off to get the intercooler. Get the intercooler out way behind there. And like I said, what I think I'm gonna do is y'all see the radiator from the factory, they slanted. So the new kit gonna put the turbo over on this side. So I think I'm gonna stand the radiator up to avoid the heat soak. I picked it up, bitch. So this all the cold side he gotta take off. Like I said, cold side all in the front, hot side off. Gotta go up there and get the headers off. That's it though. Get the headers off of there. That's it for the hot side. So people been asking about the kit and said it was a custom fab kit for their car. And I got 2 people in line that want it, cause I know people gonna be asking. So I gotta holler at them first. They got first priority on the kit. I might just keep it. I don't know. We're gonna see. But we're gonna get this thing swapped over. Y'all know I got the HURON Speed kit. Gotta shout out the HURON Speed for showing love. So we're gonna get this thing swapped over. Then we're gonna be using the CO2 and all of that. And then we're gonna be hitting the dyno again. Cause y'all know when I went last time, I had an exhaust leak where I had a pinhole in the crossover pipe and it was popping back. So then we're gonna take it back to the dyno and hit y'all with the HURON Speed kit. And we're gonna see what type of power it make. Might make the same, might make more, so we're gonna see. But that's what's going on with the Camaro for everybody that wondering. We still gotta put the transmission back in there. I talked to DJ. DJ said he waiting on the pump. Well, we got new clutches and all the other stuff, but he waiting on the pump to get machined. And then when they get back, the transmission will be ready. Transmission going back in the car. So when John Jones come back, gonna have the new kit, fresh transmission. We're gonna be able to put the radios on the back, and I finally be able to use the CO2 in the boost controller, the LEASH electronic boost controller for the first time. So y'all definitely gonna want to stay tuned when they come back. And I got about 3 epic ride reactions coming with the car already lined up, and trust me, y'all gonna want to see these. Y'all definitely gonna want to see these. So that's what's going on with Camaro. When we get back to the house, I'm gonna show y'all all the parts I picked up today for the box for Dolo, and give y'all an update on that. So just stay tuned and catch y'all on the next clip. Hey y'all, look. So these the rocker arms. Said I'm gonna get them all cleaned up and everything. And hey, what we got going? What are these? Tell them they 1.5s or 1.6.
They 1.6. We gonna get maximum lift, so we can put maximum somebody on somebody.
We gonna try to ride out on the 8s, y'all.
Yeah, it's finna be summertime. It's time to get real.
Yeah, yes indeed. So we got 1.6 ratio. If you don't know about the ratio, y'all know I always try to teach y'all too. It basically give you more lift on your camshaft and stuff. It changed the lift for your cam. You got more people run 1.5s, but these 1.6. So you got to take into account. Don't just slap rocker arms on your motor and thing, roller rockers on there. Know your ratio and all that, cause all this stuff matters. So we got that. The motor over here. People asking about the motor. Like I said, man, I've been tied up, but the motor's still over here. we was waiting on the lifters. Lifters in now, so only a matter of time. The lifters sitting over here. We got the lifters right there now that we waiting on, so now we can go together. So now we can finish putting this motor together. Since we got everything we need, we had to get the ARP bolts. Y'all saw in the previous vlog, I got that. So we got the lifters, oil pan bolts, oil pump, screen, man, everything. Got timing cover bolt, got all that stuff. Balancer, pulleys. I got AC pulleys I found the AC pulley in the billet like I wanted, so I got that on the way. And yeah, man, we good to go. Y'all know we had to change the intake, runners match up, distributor, we got all that stuff. Even this little stuff right here got grommets, everything. So now we can go together. When you get to this point, get it bolted down, then we're gonna measure and find out the push rod length, because you got to put that together. You need to know how long you need to push rod. So we're gonna find out the push rod length, and then we'll be good right there. So won't be long. Have oil pressure. Transmission over there on the other side. Showtime transmission rebuild did the transmission too. And yeah, man, y'all know I'm getting the chassis set up at the house. So when Dolo come here, we drop the motor in, transmission, hook up the nitro kit, we're gonna be ready to go. Jesse already on standby. Go to the exhaust shop. Like I said, it's just gonna be, when this motor get in, the car crank up, it's just gonna be rolling fast, like everything rolling fast. And the 8s, see, I'm gonna have the car already set up so the 8s can go straight on, cause I know what I need to do. Y'all saw that in the other video, so we know what gotta be done with that. But yeah, that's what's up. Said lifters in, we got roller rockers. We put that together, we're gonna measure for push rod length, and that's gonna be that. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back at the house. Quick little stop from Joe Buddy. See, ain't nothing special going on today. Y'all see it's raining, man. It's ugly today. Dolo sitting over there. Ain't really mess with it, but this is what I got today. Told y'all another load. This right here, actually not for Dolo. This compressor for the Denali. Compressor leaking Freon and wifey Denali, so we gotta change that. And we got a new line coming too. I don't know. I say I might well change the line to the AC line to be on the safe side. Might not have a hole in it, but better safe than sorry. So that's for the Denali. And the rest of the stuff is for Dolo. So this is what we got today. Said I got new straps for the gas tank. Said new gas tank straps. Ain't nothing wrong with mine, but like I'm about the looks too, man. When I put the new gas tank on there, the straps stand out like a sore thumb from where they were painted green. So I just went ahead and bought these new gas tank straps. Cause like I said, man, when you put new stuff on a car, it make it stand out. It make all the other stuff, the other imperfections stand out when you putting the car together. So keep in mind, y'all see I got the battery. This right here is the AC condenser. So we got the AC condenser right here. The whole, I now have every component of the AC system is brand new. So I'm gonna be throwing this on the car next sunny day. Be putting a condenser on there. So we got that. We got windshield wiper blades. Got the Rain-X, cause I need them anyway. That right here is a windshield wiper motor. So I got a brand new windshield wiper motor, man. I want everything fresh, like I said. This right here is the accumulator. We got the new accumulator. Y'all see I got the battery already. Cause I need the battery. I'm finna get some power going to the car, see what work before the motor go in, see what work. And I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna do a LED light install too. Go ahead and get them installed, show y'all them, cause I've been had those. Keep up with the series, then you know all this, but this what we got. This what I'm telling y'all about. We got a new accumulator. So every single component of the AC system brand new. So ain't no doubt in whether the AC gonna work. I got all the new hard components. I got new AC line, which is at the shop. Brand new line. I got a brand new compressor. Billet brackets coming. So the AC definitely gonna work. I got new switch. This the switch, the pressure switch that goes inside the accumulator. I'm telling you, every little thing you can think of. We got this negative cable. I had needed that. So I got the negative battery cable. Then this bag. That's the emergency brake. I told y'all I'm gonna get the emergency brake cable. I got that brand new. And hold on, man, I'm missing it right here. Blower motor relay. Cause that other one was that old one, man. That thing was ugly. Not saying it didn't work, but like I said, when you put new stuff, it stand out. So this the little part right here. Got a new blower motor relay. So definitely make sure they're good. And battery, like I said, windshield wiper motor. I got something else, man. It must be in this bag, or maybe it's in here. Let me see. Got to be in here. Cause I got an orifice tube. You got to have that. There it is. And this right here, this orifice tube. You got to have it. This AC component too. It actually goes in the accumulator. So you got to have it right here. This thing get stopped up, boy, it get real. I just know from experience, if that thing right there get stopped up, it get real, boy. You talking about, if you want to hear a gunshot, put you some Freon in the system with a stopped up orifice tube. Guarantee you, boy, you'll hear a gunshot. Guarantee. You ever hear an AC line bust, boy, it get real. I done seen it. So, this what I ain't doing that. But this what I got today, like I said, new motor. So y'all gonna see all this stuff go on the car. Y'all gonna see all this stuff go on the car. Probably this week, cause we got another day of rain. We got another day of rain. And you definitely want to stay tuned in this week, cause I got a lot of stuff going on Dolo. We got a lot of stuff going on this week. We're gonna make the most of the sunny days. So I'm gonna be putting the condenser on. I'm gonna be putting the accumulator on. Then I'm gonna be putting the pressure switch on the accumulator. We're gonna be putting the what else? Man, I'm finna be doing everything. Windshield wiper, blades, the motor. I'm gonna be mounting all that, showing y'all how to do all that. So if you got a box Chevy and you trying to learn how to do this stuff, I'm about to be doing everything. Then I already done talked to my boy Rick, aka Don't Panic. So Rick gonna be pulling up this week. We're gonna be doing all the pieces new on the brake system, new rotors install, all the new back brakes, everything. So it ain't gonna be looking dingy and busted and all that no more. And we're gonna be putting the studs in. We're gonna be putting the Moser 3-inch studs in there. So y'all gonna definitely want to see that, man, cause we got a lot of content coming this week. Dolo, the chassis of Dolo almost pretty much complete. Almost complete, ready to go back to the shop. And y'all saw today we got the lifters in. We're waiting on the lifters. I got some parts coming this week that's being shipped. So I got more stuff coming. Rear fluid gonna be going back in the rear. What else? I'm gonna be getting ready to spray paint up under the hood, getting the wires all straightened out, situated. Man, this thing finna be nice. We're gonna be mounting the tack, getting the tack mounted already. The wires ran and stuff. Wired up to the power and all that. That's why I got the battery car. I'm about to run the power to the car so I can use my multimeter, you know, to run my wires, and I can get everything wired up. So basically, like I said, when the motor goes in this car gonna be ready. We're gonna have a functioning tack, radio already. When we get the car back to the shop, I'm gonna hit my boy Alex up. He gonna be cutting my deck. Y'all gonna see that. So while the car at the shop, the deck gonna be getting installed, the 6x9s. I'm gonna go get them this week too. Going to get all the interior speakers this week. Interior video gonna be coming. Trust me, it's finna roll. It's about to roll these 2 weeks. That's all I can say. It's really about to roll. The box already coming together like a masterpiece. The motor finna get put together completely now, cause like I said, we have everything we need. Only thing we're gonna be lacking is the push rods, which we gotta wait to order them until he get the heads on and rocker arms, and then we can measure, get the push rod length. We're gonna be putting the push rods on, get them big boy push rods, them black ones, them thick guys, and yeah, boy, it's gonna be go time. Nitrous kit. I gotta take the vacuum canister up too. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. Show y'all where I'm gonna mount my 1 gallon fuel cell and all of that stuff, man. I'm talking about everything is about to go down. So definitely want to stay tuned this week for Dolo. I'm probably, and another thing I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna go ahead and order some more springs just to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna keep me 2 sets of springs. I could I could put my old spring back in, but I don't like the way they look, man. They all rusted and all that. That black look official on there, so I'm gonna order some more springs too for the back. Cause I was thinking about it. I said, yeah, it's tucking. It's okay with no weight back there, but I got a speaker box. I got 212 got to go back there and an amp. So you gotta think about that. And then when you put passengers in the back, yeah, you gotta account for that. You gotta account for that weight too. And that thing low already. I mean, I love the way it's sitting, but that thing low. So I'm not about to overstretch the suspension, but I'm gonna have to do something. So yeah, stay tuned this week. Said next Sunday day, I'm back to work. I'm back to work, man. We got my new light still looking good right there. I'm probably gonna order this. I got all this stuff coming too. I'm probably gonna go in the house and order all that. New bezels, ain't gonna hurt none. And these pieces right here, somebody asked me where to find these in the video. When I find them, I'm gonna tell y'all where to get them, cause I'm about to order all that. I gotta order the one on the back too, cause I noticed the back is cracked. I got the whole piece on there, but it's cracked. And see, you see Meech got that old style bumper. Look at Meech, man, just sitting over there, man, just buried. That's all right. That's all right. Hey, I'm about to get to work on this too. I'm telling you, man, it's finna be double trouble. That's all I can say. It's about to be double trouble. I'm about to get to work on Meech. It ain't gonna be the killer motor, but I'm about to get to work on Meech. Meech's gonna have oil pressure. Ain't nobody gonna even know it. So stay tuned, all I can say. Meech is gonna have oil pressure. Ain't nobody gonna even know it until it has oil pressure. So that's gonna be a big surprise, trust me. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, even though it wasn't much. It was more so of an update video. Show y'all what's going on with John Jones. But after this, we back to turn the wrench and back to action. You're gonna wanna stay tuned in, cause this big pile of parts finna disappear off the floor for John Jones. I mean, not John Jones, I'm tripping, man, I miss my boy. But the big pile of parts about to disappear and go on the car. And we're gonna have some more stuff. So I like to say, stay tuned. Appreciate y'all.